What's happening, YouTube? It's your boy JD Trades, and I'm back again with another pre-market open analysis. As you guys know, we're going to take a look at this week's targets before the market opens. All right, as always, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that post notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. And also, guys, just drop a like on the video, helps the channel grow, so that I can bring you more content. All right, so if we start off with the DXY. The main target last week was to actually see us get a push up out of this weekly imbalance, and so far so good. Right now, the only thing that we can anticipate for the week coming ahead is to see an expansion or a continuation of this move. Ideally, we would like to see maybe potentially Monday push up, Tuesday, Wednesday we pull back down, Thursday we expand higher, Friday we continue to move higher. Okay, I don't think we'll make a new higher high this week coming, but we do have NFP, and with NFP comes any possible eventuality. Okay, if we look at the price action from last week Friday, you can see here that we had first a good play into here Friday, right? We had that pullback come New York session. We had a nice push up. We failed, and then we dropped very, very low, very, very quickly. Okay, to the latter stages of the day, we still held this hourly candle, and then we got a nice push up to take out that daily target, which was the target for the week. So the week's targets was achieved last week. All right. So if we turn our attention over to the Dow, I don't usually show you guys the Dow, but we're going to take a look at the Dow. And with the Dow, we can see that we've pretty much reached almost all-time highs, if I'm not mistaken. 45,073, 45. Yeah, we almost reached all-time highs, right? And so far, we are failing to the downside. Now we have this 4-hour imbalance that we can see, okay, or look to see what market wants to do inside of this level. If we want to then turn around from here and then create our all-time highs, is not a bad area to look for that kind of move. Okay, we've got a nice daily candle rest inside of there as well. So there's definitely reasons for us to anticipate this area potentially giving us a buy. But right now it's very tricky with all the tariffs and the tariffs that Trump is putting on certain countries around the world. So the stock market has become a little bit erratic. Okay. Next up is going to be on gold. So for gold, if we are going to see the DXY potentially, get stronger for the most of next week, which is the target, okay, we want to see on the flip side, we want to see gold come down from reaching all-time highs. Now, at some point during this year, I wouldn't mind seeing gold at 3K. It's still a little bit, well, I say a little bit, but it's a long way away. But I don't think it's a target that's not unforeseeable. It's about a 7% gain. If we look at that, that is possible for gold, right? But for now, it is a little bit of a reach away. So far, looking at last week and how we closed for the week, I'd like to see gold come down into much discounted prices where we can actually look to go long. And if we look at this move before we got the new all-time high, we played into that daily imbalance there, right? We took out the liquidity resting beneath this low, right? From that area, we had a push to the upside, tested that 4-hour imbalance, and then we progressed to the upside. Okay, I would like to see us come back into the area that gave us the original move. I'd like to see us have a pretty much, a big sell-off to start off the week, about, 400 pips. And we'll see if we can get some long positions out of this area, which I do see this as a very key area for gold moving forward. Now, we all need to kind of understand that markets don't have to give us exactly what we're looking for in terms of gold, and that's because of a lot of the tariffs that Trump is imposing. Because there's such a high risk, or there's a risk on environment in the market right now, a lot of investors will pull their funds from riskier assets in and put it into gold. That's partly to blame for the reason as to why gold just started rallying, Wednesday, well, the whole of last week, really. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we just kept on pushing higher and higher and higher. Okay, a lot of it is to do with Trump's influence on the market, and this is why we love Trump, right? Because Trump is going to give you a lot of moves where you can take advantage of. So far, from looking at the economic calendar, okay, the big one, of course, is NFP and unemployment rate coming Friday. For the pound, we do have some Bank of England's interest rate decision that is forecasted to come down some more, which is interesting, right? Wednesday, we do have composite services, ADP, and of course crude oil inventories. Tuesday we got JOLT openings, and Monday we have ISM and CPI for the euro. Okay, now it'll be interesting to see how this week pans out. It is a very heavy week, but I reckon we'll let Monday play out and start to look for moves Tuesday morning onto Thursday evening. Okay, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And as always, remember theory behind the practice, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.